My previous video went over me upgrading my decades-old Maglite with a new LED. The thing that surprised me after all these years is that the Maglite was still in very pristine condition. Once I realized this, I decided rather than press my luck, I should probably do something to keep that pristine look for as long as possible. It is a classic after all. To see how I do this, stay tuned. This is an extremely simple build and I'm going to get right into it. What you'll need is about a 2 or 3 inch piece of 1.5 inch PVC, a 2 inch PVC threaded coupler, and also some electrical tape. Take the 1.5 inch PVC and cut a 1/2 inch wide slit along the length of the PVC. Take the 2 inch coupler and cut the threaded end off, making sure not to cut off the stopper inside. Now cut a similar 1/2 inch slit along the length of the 2 inch coupler. Now is a good time to sand the rough edges smooth. Because the PVC fits a little too loosely on the Maglite, I'm going to zip tie both PVC pieces and heat it up over a stovetop. This should cause it to bend enough to fit tighter over the Maglite, like a protective case should. The last step is to line the inside of the PVC with electrical tape. Close to each end of each PVC is fine. To use it, just slip the PVC onto each end of the Maglite and that's it. To some of you this may look a little industrial, so what you can also do is paint the outside only. For myself, I leave it as is. One other thing I did was put a zip tie on the lens half of the case because the bending at the stove made it sort of oval shaped, so it was not a snug fit. That should complete our very simple and cheap Maglite case. My thinking with this PVC case is that when you drop the Maglite on flat ground, only either end will hit the ground. Only if there's large rocks or corners protruding from the ground can this type of case fail to protect the Maglite completely. Under those conditions, just be extra careful. So that's my video for today. I hope it can help some of you out there. That's all I have for now, and I'll catch you in the next video.